Today we have 7 types of videos for you to use in your e-learning and online courses. We're going to serve them up to you hot.
And if you are looking to develop an e-learning program and online course, you got to take our free masterclass because you're going to learn how to develop your online course or e-learning program in 90 days or less and save $10,000
in the process. Woo! So we got 7 for you. The first one is our favorite, and guess what? We're using it right now. Lightboard video. Tell them about Lightboard video, Hector.
Well, first of all, the Lightboard's actually kind of heavy, so I don't know if it's a Lightboard, it's kind of a heavy board, but Lightboard is absolutely incredible. As you can see, we're utilizing it right now, and allows you to really bring your subject matter experts to life, also bring the visual component to it as well in a very unique and fun way. As somebody that is dyslexic, that is a visual learner, and also that colors really help me.
Colors are nice.
This is a really engage your learners in an incredible way with your subject matter experts.
Yes, we love this. It is a great way for your subject matter experts to not only engage the audience, but save a lot of prep time. You don't have to spend hours upon hours building PowerPoints. Not all of us are as amazing as Scott.
PowerPoint.
My God, those PowerPoints, I love them. Best PowerPoints I've ever seen in my entire life. But I'm not that good at that, so we use the Lightboard to do the training. And if you are interested in getting a Lightboard, we have a link below this video. If you use that link, you'll show us some love. You'll get an amazing Lightboard mailed to you. You set it up, you write on it, you flip it in post.
The next type of video is screen capture with a subject matter expert. So when we talk about screen capture, we're talking a lot about your green screen. We got a green screen here that here in our e-learning studio that allows us to have the subject matter expert stand in front of the green screen. And as many of you may know, the green screen allows you to display any sort of background,
so
any
those
sort of
amazing
graphics, whatever
slides.
you're looking for, slides, everything.
Those amazing slides that you have, those amazing computer-based processes you want to show, and then you could also add some B-roll. You can put yourself anywhere, by the way. But what we're really talking about is it's a way for your subject matter experts to capture their screen, their laptop that they're teaching on, while being on video as well. Now, you don't always have to use a green screen environment to do this. You can just use a free app like Loom. By the way, you want to show us some love, check out our Loom link below, and it will be no added cost to you. By the way, it will actually be free up to 25 videos, so you can shoot a lot of the videos for free, download them, and use them there. But otherwise, if you want to pay for it, it's only $10 a month, and guess what? One of those dollars is going to us, which is great because we love you.
We do love you. The third thing is screen capture without a subject matter expert. Now, for this, you don't need a green screen for this. You could utilize all sorts of graphics and amazing things to create training content without a subject matter expert. Right, Johnny?
Yeah, I mean, the purpose here is, the first one is you want the subject matter expert's face to be in the video along with the screen captured content. The second one here is there's no face involved because some subject matter experts, they're shy. They're not like us that are preaching. They don't want their face involved, but they're amazing speakers and they just want to show their screen. Also, this is just an easier type of content to create. You can also use Loom, and when you open up your Loom app, you can hide the little bubble in the corner so that you're not a part of the training.
The next type of video is interactive video. Creating videos that are interactive. You interact with your learners. You interact with the people that are watching the video. A great example of this is Video Ask. Video Ask, which, by the way, we would love for you to show us some love. We got our referral link below. Please click on it. Show us some love. Video Ask allows you to do something super unique, which is to capture video, send it to your learners or send it to your audience, and then have your audience respond with a video as well.
And then you can respond to that response. And then they can respond to that response. And then you can respond to that response. And you keep responding to the responses until someone doesn't respond, and that's interactivity.
The next one is show and tell videos. Now, we understand that there are a lot of companies and industries out there where you physically need to be in that location. Let's say you're a manufacturing company or a company that really requires you to showcase the space. That is all about show and tell. Bringing the camera crew, bringing a team to an on-site location, to your company, capturing that experience, showing and telling your learner.
Or you could do what our client Mapco does, which is they take their mobile device, they line it up, they record the content, and they tell you about it.
The next is virtual reality or 360 videos. This is another really fun and unique way to create video content. Now, not everybody needs this, right? This specifically, VR, we see the utility of it if you are, for example, a company in the medical field, again, in the manufacturing field, in engineering, where you physically need to see the technology or the things that you're working with. VR really allows you to give that hands-on type of hands-on type of experience that is really, really unique. It's like, think of pilots. They take simulations in VR, so when they're learning how to fly and land these massive planes, they know how to do it correctly before going into the actual plane.
And then the last one, this is our least favorite one because it's so darn expensive and time consuming to create when it comes to a training or e-learning or online course video. So we don't think it's really worth the investment, but we'll talk about it anyway. Animated. Nah, we don't need to talk about it. This was the 6 types of video for e-learning and online courses. Remember to sign up for our free masterclass below. Use our link and you will launch your course in 90 days or less and save $10,000 in the process. Don't create animated videos. And what, Hector?
Thank you for the likes and subscribes.